Hi.
Hi, 5th Indian World Film Festival.
Hi, I am Shumartho, director of FELTs.
Hi, I'm Srijit, the actor of FELTs.
The idea of the film came to my mind while I was watching a horror film, and then the idea was structured into a story and script, into a whole film making process.
The elements which were very necessary in these films were the playing of dark and shadow structures, and most importantly, we have to create the ambience of the horror genre. The horror genre is mainly created by some movements, by some unnatural noises. So these are the main elements of this film which are properly structured to be facilitated in the post-production process also.
The challenges which I faced during making this film was first was lockdown. It was shot in the month of May and June. So during lockdown we can't go out of our house, and for because of this the film was shot totally in a house by a mobile or phone on iPhone. And second was the budget. Budget was cut. As I told earlier, the film was shot during lockdown, so the cast and crew of the film was cut in very small. So there is only one actor, Srijita. He's a very good actor, and because of him, the film, the performance was very good. And as a director, it was very challenging because you have to direct it through online or through video call, and there is always a miscommunication. So by God grace, there is no such miscommunication. The film was shot totally in from our house, and I have to direct it totally from video call online. And you people also reacted to this, you love this, and I hope as a director I think I am a little bit successful. I don't know. As a indie filmmaker, or you can say as a new indie filmmaker, uh, your script, your story, it must be very convincing to the producer. And as there is not such much indie film or indie short film indie project, so the indie filmmakers are in a very tight position to get the budget, to fix the budget, and to make a film with that budget.
Especially in these pandemic times, it is very difficult actually to approach for a indie projects because the producers are not ready to support the indie filmmakers in this kind of a tight situation. We have also seen some big producers also have turned down the big projects they were planning for. So it's a bit challenging in these situations to come up with an indie project. So, in order to support indie films, I will say that if you want to express yourself, if you want truly, if you truly want your reach, if you want your films to reach 5,000 to 10,000 people, you must carry around with smaller aspects of like film festivals. You can give it to some indie theaters where only indie films are run. So this kind of planning has to be done by the cast crew with the director and the producer. So I hope that this process will help the indie filmmakers to survive. So first, when we started from the scratch, when Shumartho told me the script, it was just an idea, and we can't think of it turning into a visual thing because of the pandemic situations. As you know, in the pandemic situations, we were not allowed to go out and shoot, so it would have been a very difficult situation for us. And then we thought of shooting in our home only, so which was directed by him to me, and I planned the cinematography and I planned the type of shot to be taken in the, because as it's a horror film, it is very challenging without a proper camera to shoot because we have to shoot many black points enriched shots. So in order to do that, I thought that the film was turning a very blackish frame, and there were such areas which were getting vignetted, and but in the post-production, when I saw the film, it was looking very nice. It was looking very enriching, and the people will see it, they will enjoy it. This kind of a feeling came to my mind for FELTs. About this film, I like to tell that it was a very abstract idea which was told to me by Shumarto, because in this lockdown period we were thinking about creating something. So he was running a script in his mind, and that was it, which turned out to be FELTs. So the key points of FELTs and why the people liked it, I think, according to me, it's a type of cinematography we two discussed and did it. And especially another thing I want to mention about the editing. The editing is also done by Shumarto. So what he did, he made the frames very crispy. The film looks very tight because it's a microfilm, so editing plays a key role in it. And the next comes to the background music, which is done by Sanjay Das. It's a very low key kind of a background music, and which you will not find in any of the horror films. This is not the genre of the horror background music. So these were, I think, the audience liked FELTs.
To all the emerging filmmakers, I just wanted to tell you that there is a slight difference between filmmaking and videography. So I know you are doing short films, microfilm or long length film, but you should know the difference between videography and filmmaking, and you have to also know what is filmmaking, what's the process, what's the effort behind this. So I just wanted you to tell that read and watch films so that you can understand, so that you can feel what you are doing. Good luck.
Hi, I wish the 5th Indian World Film Festival to be a very successful one.